Will artificial intelligence ever die? In detail? As an AI language model, I cannot predict the future with certainty, but it is highly unlikely that artificial intelligence, AI, will die, in the sense of disappearing completely. AI is a rapidly evolving field that is becoming increasingly important in various industries and sectors worldwide. The advancement in AI technologies has already led to various applications such as self-driving cars, virtual assistants, medical diagnosis, image and speech recognition, and many others. AI systems are designed to learn from data and improve their performance through experience, making them highly adaptable to new situations and environments. Therefore, even if one particular AI system becomes obsolete, it is highly likely that a new and improved AI system will replace it. Furthermore, AI is becoming an integral part of modern society, and it is increasingly challenging to imagine life without AI systems. As such, the demand for AI will only continue to increase, and more advanced AI technologies will be developed in the future. It is worth noting that some concerns have been raised regarding the development of AI and its potential impact on society. There are fears that AI could become too powerful and pose a threat to human existence. However, researchers are actively working to address these concerns and develop AI systems that are safe, ethical, and beneficial to humanity. In conclusion, AI is likely to continue to evolve and become an increasingly integral part of modern society. While there may be challenges along the way, AI is not likely to die, in the sense of disappearing completely.